Today we shall study about array functions on PHP.NET website. On PHP.NET websites there are examples of arrays. These are array functions: array change key case, array chunk, array column, array combine, array count values, array diff, assoc, array diff key, array diff UASSOC, usoc, array diff ukey, array diff, array fill keys, array fill, array filter, array flip, array intersect, assoc, array intersect key, array intersect uasoc, array intersect ukey, array intersect, array key exists, array key first, array key last, array keys, array map, array merge, recursive, array merge, array multi sort, array pad, array pop, array product, array push, array rand, array reduce, array repulsive, recursive, array replace, array reverse, array search, array shift, array slice, array splice, array sum, array udiff, assoc, array udiff, usoc, array udiff, array intersect, assoc, array intersect, usoc, array intersect, array unique, array unshift, array values, array walk resources, array walk, array assort, compact, count, current and extract in array, key exist, key, ksort, list, netcase, sort, netsort, next, pose, preview, range, reset, resorts, shuffle, size of, sort, use ORT, UK sort, US ORT, depreciated each. Now we shall read some of important arrays. First of all, we are going to read array diff. Array diff, PHP 4 greater than equal to 4.0.01, PHP 5, PHP 7, PHP 8. Array diff computes the difference of arrays. Description: array diff, array variable array, comma, array $arrays colon array. compress array against one or more other arrays and return the value in array that are not present in any of the other arrays. Parameters: array, the array to compare from, arrays, arrays to compare against. Return value returns an array containing all the entries from array that are not present in any of the other arrays. Keys in the array are presented. Examples: number 1, array diff. Example: PHP started a variable array1 equal to array A green red blue red, array2 array B green yellow red, results array diff $array1 array2 print r variable result. Multiple occurrences in array1 are all treated the same way. This will output array1 blue. Examples: 2 array diff. Example with non-matching types. Two elements are considered equal if and only if string variable elem1 equal to string variable else2, that is when the string representation is the same. PHP this will generate a notice that an array cannot be cast to as a string variable string 1 2 3 4, variable filter 3 4 5 6, variable result equal to array diff, variable source, variable filter, where this is the since the objects can be cast to a string. Class S, private variable V, public function, construct string variable V, variable this V equal to variable V, public function. Public function to string return variable this V, variable source new as A, new as B, new as C, variable filter new as B, new as C, new as D, variable result equal to array diff, variable source, variable filter. Comment: and result now contains one instance of S A. The use of an alternate compression function C array diff. Note: this function only check one dimension of an n-dimensional array. Of course, you can check deeper dimension by using array diff, variable array1 0, array2 0. Array filter. Filters element of an array using a callback function. Description: array filter, array variable, array scalable, null, int, variable mode, 0, array. It iterates over each value in the array, passing them to a callback function. If the callback function runs true, the current value from array is returned into the result array. Array keys are preserved and may result in gaps. If the array was indexed, the result array can be re-indexed using the array value functions. Parameters array, the array to iterate over callback, the callback function to use. If no callback is supplied, all empty entries in array will removed. See empty for PHP defines empty in the case mode. Flag determines what arguments are sent to callback. Array filter use key, pass key as the only argument to callback instead of the value. Array filter use both, pass both value and key as arguments to callback instead of the value. Default is 0, which will pass value as the only argument to callback instead. Return values returns the filtered array. Changelog version. Description: 8.0.0 callback is nullable now. Examples: number 1, array filter examples. PHP function odd variable verb var return whether the input integer is odd. Return variable var $1. Function even variable var return whether the input integer is even. Return variable var and 1. Variable array1 equal to a1 b2 c3 d4 e5 array2 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 echo odd backslash n print r. Array filter array1 odd echo even n print r. Array filter array2 even. The above example will output odd array a1 c3 e5 even array 0 6 2 8 4 10 6 12. Examples: number 2, array filter without callback. PHP entry 0 4 1 false, 2 -1 3 null, 4 5 0 6 0 print r. Array filter entry. The above example will output array 0 4 2 -1. Example 3, array filter with mode. PHP variable r a1 b2 c3 d4 var dump. Array filter variable r function variable k, return variable k. B array filter use key. var dump array filter variable array function. Variable v, variable k, return variable k. B variable v. 4 array filter use both. The above example will output array 1 b int 2 array 2 b int 2 d int 4. Notes. Question: if the array is changed from the callback function, example element add, delete or use unset, the behavior of this function is undefined. Array flip exchange all key with their associated value in an array. Description: array flip array variable array flip return an array in flip order. Example: key from array become values and value from array become keys. Note that the values of array need to be valid keys. Example: they need to be either a int or string. A warning will be emitted if a value has the wrong type, and the key value pair in questions will not be included in the result. If a value has a several occurrence, the latest key will be used as its value and all others will be lost. Parameters. Array: an array of key value pairs to be flipped. Return values: returns the flipped array on success of null, on failure. Examples: number 1 array flip. Example: PHP variable input equal to array orange apples pears, variable flipped equal to array flip, variable input print r, variable flipped. The above example will output array orange 0 apple 1 pears 2. Example 2 array flip. Example: collision. PHP input array a1 b1 c2, flipped array flip variable input print r, variable flipped. The above example will output array 1b 2c. Now array intersect. Array intersect computes the intersection of arrays. Description: array intersect array variable array variable arrays array intersect return an array containing all the values of array that are present in all the arguments. Note the key are preserved. Parameters: array. The array will master value to check arrays to compare values against. Array values. Return an array containing all of the values in array whose value exists in all of the parameters. Examples. Example number 1. Array intersect example. PHP array 1 array A green red blue, array 2 array B green yellow red, result array intersect array 1 array 2 print r variable result. The above example will output array A green O red. Notes. Note: two elements are considered equal if and only if string variable lm1 string variable lm2 inverts when the string representation is the same. Array merge. Array merge one or more arrays. Description. Array merge array variable arrays array. Merge the elements of one or more arrays together so that the values of one are appended to the end of the previous one. It returns the resulting array. If the input arrays have the same string keys, then the later value for the key will overwrite the previous one. If however the arrays contain numeric keys, the later value will not be overwrite the original value but will be appended. Value in the input arrays with numeric keys will be renumbered with incrementing keys starting from 0 in the result array. Parameters. Arrays. Variable list of arrays to merge. Return values. Return the resulting array. If called without any arguments, return an empty array. Changelog. Version description for 7.4.0. This function can now be called without any parameters. Formerly, at least one parameter has been required. Examples. Examples number 1. Array merge example. Variable array 1 array color red 24, array 2 array AB color green shape trap jo id 4, variable result array merge variable array 1 array 2 print r variable result. The above example will output array color green 0 2 1 4 2a 3b shape trapezoid 4 4. Example 2 simple array merge example. PHP array 1 array 2 array 1 data result array merge variable array 1 array 2. Don't forget that numeric keys will be renumbered. Array 0 data. If you want to append array element from the second array to the first array while not overwriting the elements from the first array and not re-indexing, use the array using operators. PHP array 1 array 0 0a 0a 2a 3a array 2 array 1 1b 3b 4b result array 1 plus array 2 var dump variable result. The key for the first array will be preserved. If an array key exists in both arrays, then the elements from the first array will be used and the matching keys element from the second array will be ignored. Array 5 0 string 6 0a 2 string 5 2a 3 string 7 3a 1 string 5 1b 4 string 6 4b. Examples: number 1, array merge with known arrays types. PHP beginning for and array 1 bar result array merge array beginning array variable and print r result. The above example will output array 0 4 1 bar array pop the element of the end of array. Description: array pop array and variable array mixed. Array pops and returns the value of the last element of array shortening the array by one element. Note: the function will reset the array pointer of the input array after use. Parameters: array the array to go the value from. Return values: return the value of last element of array. If array is empty or is not an array, null will be returned. Errors, exceptions: this function will produce an error of level E warning when called on unknown array. Examples: empty number 1 array pop. Examples: PHP variable stack array orange banana apple raspberry variable fruit. Array pop variable stack print r variable stack. After this a variable stack will have only 3 elements. Array 0 orange 1 banana 2 apple and raspberry will be assigned to variable fruit. Array push one or more elements onto the end of array. Description: array push array and variable array mixed variable values. Int array push treat array as a stack and pushes the passed variables onto the end of array. The length The length of array increases by the number of variables pushed has the same effect as PHP array var variable var repeated of each passed value. Note, if you use array push to add one element to the array, it's better to use array, because in what way there is no overhead of calling a function. Note, array push will raise a warning if the first argument is not an array. This differed from the variable var behavior, where a new array was created prior to PHP 7.1.0 parameters. Array key. This input array values the values of the values to push onto the end of the array. Returns value return the new number of elements in the array. Catalog. Version description 7.3.0. This function can now be called with only one parameter. Formerly, at least two parameters have been required. Examples number 1, array push example. PHP stack array orange banana, array push variable stack apple raspberry, print r variable stack. The above example will output array 0 orange, 1 banana, 2 apple, 3 raspberry. Replaces element from past arrays into the first arrays. Description: array replace array variable array variable replacement array. Array replace the value of array with value having the same keys in each of the following arrays. If a key from the first array exists in the second array, its value will be replaced by the value from the second array. If the key exists in the second array and not the first, it will be created in the first array. If a key only exists in the first array, it will be left as is. If several arrays are passed for replacement, they will be processed in order, the later array overwriting the previous values. Array replace is not recursive. It will replace value in the first array by whatever type is in the second array. Parameters. Array. The array is which elements are replaced. Replacement. Array from which elements will be extracted value from later arrays, overwriting the previous values. Return values. Return an array of null if an error occurs. Examples. Examples number 1, array replace example. PHP base variable base array orange banana apple raspberry variable replacement array 0 pineapple 4 cherry variable replacement 2 array 0 grape variable basket array replaces variable base, variable replacements, variable replacement to, print r, variable basket. The above example will output array 0 grape, 1 banana, 2 apple, 3 raspberry, 4 cherry. Array reverse return an array with elements in reverse order. Description: array reverse array, variable array blob, variable preserve key false, array take an input array and return a new array with an order of elements reversed. Parameters array, the input array. Preserve key, if set to true, numeric key are preserved, non-numeric keys are not affected by this getting and will always be preserved. Return value returns the reversed array. Examples: example number 1, array reverse example. PHP variable input array PHP 4.0 array green red reversed array reverse variable input variable preserved array reverse variable input true print r variable input print r variable reversed print r variable preserved. The above example will output array 0 PHP 1 4 2 array 0 green 1 red array 0 green a 1 red 4 1 4 2 PHP array 2 array 0 green 1 red 1 4 0 PHP. Array search searches the array for given values and returns the first corresponding key if successful. Description: array search mixed variable needle array hashtags pool variable strict equal to false int string false searches for needle in hashtag parameters needle the searched value. Note: if needle is string, the comparison is done in case sensitive manner. Hashtag the array strict, if the third parameter strict is set to true, then the array search function will search for identical elements in the hashtag. This means it will also perform a strict type comparison of the needle in the hashtag, and objects must be the same instance. Return value. Return values: return the key of a needle if it is found in the array false, otherwise if needle is found in hashtag more than once, the first matching key is returned. To return the key for all matching values, use array keys with the optional search value parameter instead. Warning: this function may return boolean false but may also return a non-boolean value which evaluate to false. Please read the section on booleans for more information. Use the equal to operator for testing the return value of this function. Examples. Examples number 1, array search. Examples: PHP variable array 0 blue 1 red 2 green 3 red variable key array search green array variable array key variable key 2 variable key array search red variable array variable key 1 C also. Variable walk array walk apply a user supplied function to every number of an array. Description: array walk array object and variable array callable variable callback mixed and use user data null bool. Applies the user defined callback function to each elements of the array. Array walk is not affected by the internal array pointer of array. Array walk will walk through the entire array regardless of point position. Parameters array: this input array callback. Typically callback takes on two parameters, the array parameters value being the first and the key index second. Note: if callback needs to be working with the actual values of the array, specify the first parameters of callback as a reference, then any changes made to those elements will be made in the original array itself. Note: many internal functions, for example str to lower, will throw a warning of more than the expected number of arguments are passed in and are not usable directly as callback. Only the value of the array may potentially be changed. Its structure cannot be altered, i.e. the programmer cannot add, unset or reordered elements. If the callback does not respect this requirement, the behavior of this function is undefined and unpredictable. User data: if the optional user data parameters is supplied, it will be passed as the third parameter to the callback. Returns value: returns true. Errors exception: as the PHP 7.1.0, the argument counter error will be thrown if the callback function requires more than two parameters, the value and key of the array's number. Previously, if the callback function requires more than two parameters, an error of level E warning would be generated each time array walk calls callback. Examples: example number 1, array walk example. PHP variable fruits array D lemon, A orange, B banana, C apple, function test alter and variable item 1, variable key, variable prefix, variable item 1 prefix, variable item 1 function test print, variable item 2 variable key echo variable key, variable item 2 and echo before an array walk, variable fruits test print, array walk, variable fruits test alter, fruit echo and after and enclose array walk, variable fruit test print. The above example will output before D lemon, A orange, B banana, C apple dot 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 and after D fruit lemon, A fruit orange, B fruit banana, C fruit apple. Count all elements in any array or something in an object. Description: countable array, variable value int, variable mode count normal int. Counts all elements in any array or something in object. For example, if you have SPL installed, you can hook into count by implementing interface countable. The interface has exactly one method, countable count, which returns the return value for the count function. Please see the array section of manual for the details explanation of how arrays are implemented and used in PHP. Parameters: value an array of countable object. Mode: if the optional mode parameters is set to count recursive or one, count will recursively count the array. This is particularly used for counting all the elements of a multi-dimensional array. Quotient count can detect recursion to avoid an infinite loop, but will emit an e-warning every time it does. In case the array contains itself more than once and returns a count higher than may be accepted. Return values: returns the number of elements in value when the parameters is neither an array nor an object. With implemented countable interface, one will be returned. There is one exception: if value is null, 0 will return. Catalog version description 8.0.0. Count will now throw type error on invalid countable types passed to the value parameters. 7.2.0. Count will now yield a warning on invalid countable types passed to the value parameter. Examples number 1. Count example: PHP variable a01, variable a12, variable a25, var demp count variable a, variable b 0 equal to 7, variable b 5 equal to 9, variable b 10 equal to 11, var dump count variable b. The above example will output int 3. Examples: Number 2, count non-countable array. Example, bad example, don't do this. PHP variable b07, variable b59, variable b1011, var dump count variable b, var dump count null, var dump count false. The above example will output int 3, int 0, int 1. Output of above example in PHP 7.2. int 3 warning count. Parameter must be an array or an object that implements countable in ... On line 12, int 0 warning count. Parameter must be an array or an object that implements countable in ... On line 14, int 1. Output of the above example in PHP 8, int 3 fatal error, uncaught type error, count argument number 1 variable var must be of type countable ... On line 12. Example number 3 reverse count example. PHP variable food array, fruit array, orange, banana, apple, veggie array, carrot, colored pea. Recursive count, echo count variable food, count recursive, output 8. Normal count, echo count variable food, output 2. In array, PHP 4, PHP 5, PHP 7, PHP 8. In array, check if a value exists in any array. Description: in array, mixed variable needle, array variable hashtag bool, variable strict equal to false, bool. Searches of needle in hashtag using loose comparison unless strict is set. Parameters: needle, the searched value. Note: if needle is a string, the comparison is done in case sensitive manner. Hashtag, the array. Strict, if the third parameter strict is set the true, then the inArray function will also check the types of needle in the hashtag. Return value returns true if needles is found in the array, false otherwise. Example number 1, array example. PHP variable OS array, Mac, anti, Erix, Linux. If in array Erix variable OS, echo got Erix. If in array Mac variable OS, echo got Mac. The second condition fails because in array is case sensitive, so the program above will display got Erix. Example number 2, in array with strict example. PHP variable a, array 1.10, 12.4, 1.13. if in array 12.4 variable a true, echo 12.4 found with strict check. N, if n array 1.13 variable true, echo 1.3 found will strict check. And the above example will output 1.3 found with strict check. Example number 3, in array with an array needles. PHP variable a, array array ph, array pro, in array ph, variable a echo ph was found, and if in array f, in variable a echo phi was found, variable n. If in array 0, variable a echo 0 was found, and the above example will output ph was found, o was found. Thank you very much for watching this video.